We're now in part 3, and again, this is your host, Rico of Solo Board Gamer ng Tondo. Now, I think this is the third session. I hope we defeat Iron Man. His life is only 17 plus 5. That makes him 23 because of this tech armor that he has. So it absorbs 5 damage. And plus 1, uh, that will be 17, 20, 70 plus 22. That's 23. So again, it's a hero's face. Starting with Nick Fury. Right now, Nick Fury is exhausted because he defended Wolverine a while ago. Let's see what we can do. Okay. Right now, I use this one, Sense of Justice, to cast this Impede. Yep. So that's removes 3 damage, and this will return back to me. Okay. Again, I will cast Impede again. No, yeah, I'll cast Impede again for the second time. Let's remove 3 damage that one. And 3 threat. Now, Nick Fury. Can Wolverine help me so I can remove... How many life is this one? 4. Okay. Attack event. Fortunately, I don't have an attack event. I forgot. Do I have anything there? This is 2. What can I do? Okay. Let me think. Okay. Okay, I'll use... Maybe use Coulson. I'll cast Coulson. I use the 2-1. Wait. I need I need threats here. What? If I use Coulson... Okay, just 1. Use this one. That's 2. 1, 2, and 3. Coulson will go up. Come now, Coulson. Coulson will attack for 1. Just to remove this toughness. Yeah. And then I take 1 here to move to have this, and then I scheme. We need to scheme. Okay. Oh, I cannot scheme because I'm confused. So no point of scheming. Well, okay, it's okay. I will use this confuse. And then I will go here. Okay, next one. Okay, I'll use Avengers house to get one, and then I'll cast these two. Mm-hmm. I'll cast this to have this one, or I should maybe I don't want that. I will just use this one. Yeah, it's okay. Ah, technically I don't need that one because I'm going to use this one. Yeah, cast here, and then deal 5 damage. So this is removed. Okay. I think that's it for now. Or yeah, that's all for now. Then okay, I use this one. Okay. Then I'll cast this. Enter, heal 2 damage, 1, 2. And then I thwart for 1. I'll save these cards for now. Okay. So let's go. Ah, can I use this one? Not good. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And this will be removed. So this one will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's getting not good again. This will be removed. Did I play an event? Yeah, a while ago. 2 damage to an enemy. So I think I'll just remove the toughness of this guy. That's okay. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I could not kill him yet. Remove this, this. So he used a counter. Okay. Enemy phase. Threat. The villain scheme. That's 1 plus deal 1 damage to identity. 9. Oh, 7. One scheme. Next one. Attack. I'll accept the attack. Search toughness. Does he has a... Okay. He has no piercing. Okay. Defense. So I could defend. I will defend Wolverine. Then I could play. I could play this one. So he will remove. Okay, that's okay. 6. And then he will attack. So how many I will get? That's 1, 2. Only 2. I have 1, 2, 3. Yes, now 2. $16. Okay. Scheming, scheming, scheming. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so reveal change to assault form. Okay, I'll change to assault form as he wanted to. Let's just make this easy. Let's make this easy for change to assault form. Okay, no problem. I'll change it back. Then this is card. Okay, next one. Venom. Venom attacks gain piercing. Attacks you leader, otherwise Venom activates against me. Okay, so he will activate against me. Okay, I could not play defense. So that's 3 attack. 1, 2, 3. 9. Oh god. So 6. Okay. Now, what should I do? Okay, I think I'll use this one. Cast this to remove portraits from my scheme. That will do it. And then I'll change to a alter ego form. I forgot since Wolverine always healed 2 damage. Okay, then I'll exhaust this guy. Now I will have 1, 2. And then I'll shuffle 1 Hulking card. Then this card. I'll shuffle 1 Hulking card. And I get a shapeshifter. I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Okay, I'll cast this guy. So every time I cast a defense, that will be less than 1. So that's it for me. Wolverine will have... Okay, I'll cast this. 1, 2. So this will have additional attack. It becomes 4. This is killed. This will return back to me. And then I will cast it again here. 2. Triage will kill that guy. Then Wolverine will thwart. I forgot to add 1 token there because I done a clovering and another clovering. Yeah. So after play attack event, I played 2 attack events actually. The clover has been done for 2 times. Threat, remove 2. So this one, when defeated, shuffle each minion Avenger to the... Only one will be shuffled back. Okay. Nick Fury. I don't need heal for now. I'll just change it back. Okay, Nick Fury. Thwart. I'll change this to like that. So when I thwart to 3, then to move to 2. Then 1 will be placed on my form upgrade. Okay. Then I'll cast this one too to deal 7 4 damage. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 12 already. Hell Carrier and this one to deal 4. Thwart. It gives me this symbol, so remove 1 point there. Thwart again. That's 2. Huh. I think I should have that. No. 7. Change one more card. Then I'll use this one for this. I attack. This become 2. Then I'll use this. Counterintelligence. To cast this. Concentrated fire. Deal damage. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's down to 6 now. Next turn, he will be killed. I don't care anymore with the threat. Next turn, I will kill him. So this will return back to change to stealth form. And that's it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Hulken. And Wolverine will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is getting better and better. Enemy phase. 5. Scheme. He has only 1 plus 2. Damage. I will take the damage. That's 2 plus. That's 4. 6. Next, Nick Fury. He will scheme instead of attacking. That's 1 plus. That's 2. 1 here and 1 here. Done. When revealed, each minion activates against you. Otherwise, the enemy leader activates against me. So he will scheme again. So that's 1 plus only 1. That's 3. And then deal 1 damage. That's 11, 10. Next one is me. Oh. Each Avenger minion against the printed keyword each other Avenger. Okay, this will become 6. Okay. Actually, I don't care anymore. I'm winning. I will win this round. So, I'm hero. The villain attacks me again. When an enemy would attack you, it schemes instead. That's 1, 2, plus... No, he will scheme. That's 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3. 1 here. 2 here. So that will be 5. 13. We're now in good shape. Okay. I will use this to attack him. Deal 3 damage to enemy. 3. 1, 2, 3. He's down to 3. That's one event. I will use my X-Jet to deal 2 damage to him. That's 1, 2. Then Wolverine will attack. Berserker Barrage. So, Iron Man is already dead. Okay, so the Resistance team wins against the Registration team. So, we have defeated Iron Man. So, the game took us about 2 hours and 24 minutes. That's quite a lot of, it's quite a lot of time in playing 300 because you're thinking 3 persons. Okay, the game is great. Next time we will challenge another registration hero. That will be Captain Marvel. I will use the same hero with this one, but I need to tweak Hulk's card because it's too weak. It doesn't do anything else. I need to change some of his card. And Hulkin is like I don't know. I don't know which his card is too weak for me. The whole game it doesn't much do anything. It's only like shield attack. He's better in shielding, and that's it. I don't think this hero is good for now, but Nick Fury is good when the cards that is needed are being placed. So it's very good. So it makes our life easier. However, Wolverine, I could not. Yes, Wolverine is actually good in damage dealing. However, I could not place any of his upgrade because I need time to attack this, attack that. There are plenty minions going on. Okay, so I think it will take another maybe long time. I'll be working on maybe I'll be playing Europa Universalis for our next gaming session, so I need to review the rules. But again, stay tuned for the next registered hero. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gamer Nantodo saying goodbye for now.